card payment for your selection.
Bro, like the bird spikes at the end.
Yep.
$7 for the works. That is like rare to see nowadays.
You have purchased the works wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Why is it giving me change?
I don't know.
I paid with card.
Wash is now ready. Please
What did it
drive
give
in
me?
slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
All quarters.
It gave me a bunch of quarters. Why?
I don't know. Maybe the machine's glitching. Yeah, you can't even see under them. Yeah, you can kind of see on that side a little bit.
Oh, that's nice. That's
Undercarriage.
super low pressure for an undercarriage wash.
Some of the new ones like sound like that. Roof up. It's been years since my last Vector I've ever seen. Which that car wash does not exist anymore. It closed down. There also used to be an Autech system too. Oh, it's going back again.
This thing is very generous with the pre-soak.
Mm-hmm. Do not enter. It's only prevalent if you're on the other side. As if we needed any more.
Let me count the quarters it gave me. I may have gotten a free wash out of this thing.
Oh, that's going fast.
I paid $3 for this wash. And now I'm starting to see why. That is basically a low pressure rinse.
I've seen worse. Another friend of mine filmed one a while ago that didn't have any water.
I've seen that before. Not on a Vector.
It wasn't on a Vector, I don't think.
I saw a Sabre that had low pressure like this.
And there's also that one of them that sprays so aggressively you worry that it might take the paint off.
There's always one of those.
Mm-hmm. Not sure.
This is a clear coat protectant.
Yeah, but it's saying tricolor foam.
I think they're using the same pictogram as on a later one.
Probably.
Well, that's not even clear coat, is it?
I'm not
Oh,
sure.
maybe on the roof.
Nope.
Now it's clear coat. It started halfway through.
That's coming out of that arm. Oh, it's actually out of both.
Yep.
That's kind of rare to see. That scared me. Spot free rinse now. Sure sits back there for a while.
I think that's the strongest rinse we've gotten the whole wash.
Maybe. But blah. 90 seconds of drying time. Definitely pretty generous with that. There's a big spinning wheel of doom in there.
Don't get your hand caught.
Nope.
Still have 25 seconds of dryer time left after that.
Yeah, that's definitely pretty generous.
Oh, I'm going.
Well, it's not the roughest car wash I've seen, but I've definitely seen better and for sure worse. Well, I probably don't have enough storage for another one, but I guess that's it for this one then.